get the shot of the bear.
You can't even see it.
I got a light. Look.
Oh, you're like blind. You're like Men in Black again.
So bad. Sorry, buddy.
That shined right in my eyes. Alrighty, we are at Port Royal in New Jersey. We are just about to head out. I'm gonna grab some breakfast before we drive back to Pennsylvania. And then from Pennsylvania, I think we're gonna stay there for a little bit and then go to California. I believe our Iowa trip got postponed because of weather out there. So yeah, I'm just packing up my stuff at the hotel, but man, look at this view. Isn't that nice? And if you want to see my hotel room and the review that I gave it, click the annotation up in the corner, or maybe I'll put it at the end of this video if it's up before then, but every hotel room I'm gonna go through it and review it, so if you ever come out this way or you seem to be in my shoes and at these hotels, you can pick a good one. And so far we've had great ones. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe so you can see all those videos when they come up, and breakfast time.
Oh, fine. Get my good angle. Full reclining and everything. Pittsburgh to Los Angeles, LA. Neck pillow. Got to do neck pillow. Disneyland. You know we live like right by Disney World. We're at Disneyland, far away from Disney World. Ride the best ride here, the tram.
The tram.
It's to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please be sure to keep your ticket.
So we could just do it.